You've just wrapped up a long day, grabbed your favorite snack, and you're set to link up with your squad for some intense Valorant matches. You send out that invite, eagerly waiting for your friends to join, only to be greeted by that dreaded error code, the absolute worst, right, that frustrating party service error popping up, when all you want to do is jump into some competitive action with your friends can instantly kill the vibe. You're stuck in limbo, watching your party invite expire, feeling like you're missing out on all the fun and wondering why the game just won't cooperate. Trust me, you're not alone in this digital misery. It's a common hiccup that many Valorant players face, but don't despair. Today, we're diving deep into the most effective, easy-to-follow solutions that will get you back in the party, back on the grind, and back to clutching those rounds in no time. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge to banish error code for good and reclaim your Valorant experience. Alright, first things first, let's try the oldest trick in the textbook, because honestly, it works more often than you'd think. Simply close Valorant completely, and I mean completely, then do the same for the Riot client. Give your a quick restart too. Just for good measure, this often clears up any temporary glitches or stuck processes that might be causing the party service to act up. If a simple restart didn't do the trick, that might be your internet connection playing a bit shaky. Try power cycling your router and modem. Unplug them for about 2 seconds, then plug them back in and let them fully reboot. While you're at it, opening your command prompt and typing ifconfig functions can work wonders by refreshing your network's data, which can sometimes resolve connectivity issues that lead to error code. Sometimes your computer security measures like Windows Defender Firewall or even third-party antivirus software can get a little overprotective and excitedly block Valorant's party service. You'll want to head into your firewall settings and make sure that Valorant and the Riot client are both allowed through temporarily disabling your antivirus just to test. If the error disappears, can also quickly confirm if this is the culprit. Finally, let's talk about permissions and the bigger picture. Try launching Valorant and the Riot client as an administrator. Sometimes the game needs elevated privileges to function correctly, and while you're troubleshooting, always take a quick peek at Riot's official server status page. If there's a widespread outage or maintenance, then the problem isn't on your end at all, and you just need to wait it out.